Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the exciting world of the Sillbird STEM 12-in-1 education solar robot toys, designed for curious minds aged 8 to 13. This innovative DIY building science experiment kit offers 12 different types of robots that can traverse both land and water, providing 2 levels of complexity to challenge and engage young engineers. With an upgraded larger solar panel, these robots are powered by the sun, offering kids hands-on experience with green technology and renewable energy sources. Supporting STEM education, this kit helps children develop manual dexterity, problem-solving skills, and logical thinking while promoting teamwork and collaboration. The clear instructions make assembly a breeze, allowing parents and children to bond over creating their first solar robot together. Perfect for birthdays, Christmas, or just a fun weekend activity, this educational toy keeps kids entertained and learning for hours. So, if you're looking for a screen-free way to inspire your child's love for science, technology, engineering, and math, the Sillbird Solar Robot Kit is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.